Brian here with HelpSellMyRV.com out of Louisville, Kentucky, where all RVs are for sale by owner. I'm going to do a walk around on this beautiful mint condition 2018 Grand Design Reflection 220 RK fifth wheel. Go ahead and get started on the inside and then finish up the video by showing you the outside. This coach is mint condition. It is a full profile fifth wheel. Perfect for a half-ton truck. They do call it the 150 series Reflection. The coach weighs right around 6,700 pounds empty. Exterior length 27 feet 7 inches, and overall exterior height to the air conditioners is 11 feet 9 inches. Give you an idea of the floor plan here before I get started. This coach is showroom condition. Coach was purchased about 3 months ago, new, and it's only been used once. Priorities and plans have changed for the owner, so they called me to list it for them. Beautiful fifth wheel. Okay, now you got the idea. This is a rear kitchen floor plan. Huge kitchen in the rear, lots of counter space, nice seamless countertops. They kind of look like a Corian or a marble or stone. You do have the farmer's sink, which is a neat feature. Nice residential style pull-out sprayer faucet. All solid wood drawer fronts and cabinet fronts. It's a brushed nickel hardware. Microwave. Again, this camper is excellent condition. Show off those cabinets above the sink area there. Recessed LED puck lights. This coach is equipped with all LED lights. Saves you on your battery. 3-burner gas cooktop. It's got a glass lid cover. I don't know if you can see that in the video. Front one's going to be a high output. I believe they're calling that a 22-inch oven. That is the largest they offer in the industry. Okay, this is the 220 RK and is equipped with a slide out. And this is going to be your slide out. It's about 10, maybe 12 foot long, and it's about 2.5, maybe 3 foot deep. Accommodates the, I believe, 8 cubic foot Dinette gas electric refrigerator. Just turn it on. A couple hours later, you're ready to go. All the appliances have pretty much never been used. Nice pantry area here. This coach, this floor plan has a lot of storage space. Stereos, Bluetooth capable, DVD, CD. You can hook up your smart device to it, and pretty easy to figure out. There's a 110 outlet right there. There's going to be your power lift button for your TV. Not sure what they're calling that. Might be a 40-inch or 41-inch flat screen TV. It's power lift. It does go up and down with the power assist. All the manuals and everything, they're all ready. Okay, on your Chaise Lounge here, this also opts for the dinette. There's a table up underneath here, and I'll go ahead and show that to you. That's the table, and there's the little arm there, and that arm connects right there, and the table comes, and you can easily seat definitely 3 people comfortably. And then in the evening you can put the table away and obviously make it into a Chaise Lounge, and you can make a hide-a-bed into this, so you can sleep definitely 1, maybe 2 people in this, definitely 2 kiddos, and it is ultra leather, showroom condition. Color is going to be a dark brown. Kind of zoom in on that. You do have night shades all throughout, kind of show off the window treatments. I try to do that in all my videos, kind of tan colors and browns. Nice mirror. And again, more storage. Above the Chaise Lounge, kind of a tinted glass look. And on your flooring, it's going to be the plank flooring, linoleum, residential grade, stain resistant. All your AC and all your heat is all ducted all throughout. Your AC is going to be a 15,000 BTU AC unit with a quick dump. All right, go ahead and show that to you. There's your quick dump. Right now it's open. You flip that little louver, closes off, and then all your AC is all ducted all the way through. And then your furnace is going to be a 35,000 BTU furnace. And all your duct work is integrated into the sides. You don't have the duct work going through the flooring anymore, collecting dust and debris, which is definitely a nice feature. Go up into the side aisle hallway into the master bedroom. Master bedroom is a queen bed. Ultra plush queen bed. Bed lifts up. There's storage up underneath. This is a full profile. I believe they're calling this a 6 foot 7 inch height in the bedroom, so you don't have to duck your head. A lot of the mid profiles, you kind of hit your head when you go up into the bedroom area. Nice lights, residential style lighting on each side of the bed. And you do have 110 outlets on each side of the bed, and you do have, point out the 110 outlets on each side, and then you do have, there's a USB charging station there for smart devices. Again, lots of storage. Nice beautiful ultra leather headboard. Show off the little closet here. Wood pocket door for privacy. And if you wanted a TV in the bedroom, that's where you'd mount it. Yard cable and satellite prepped all throughout the coach. Okay, walking into the bathroom here, you do have foot flush porcelain toilet. Show that off. Nice vanity area, lots of counter space. Nice medicine cabinet, not just a mirror. Huge medicine cabinet, by the way. For a 27, almost 28 foot floor plan. This is the squeegee door shower. Open that up to show off the decent sized shower with skylight. Ducted AC, even in the bathroom. And you also ducted heat in the bathroom also. You do have motion detector lights. These are your recessed puck lights. That light right there, you can turn it on and it will automatically turn off after a couple minutes. It's motion detector, motion activated, which is definitely a cool feature. Okay. Kind of show off that floor plan here before I go outside. I think I got most of the major features on the inside. You do have a fantastic vent fan right there. That's definitely a nice feature. That is a motion detector light right there. That just came on. There we go. Okay, show off the central command center here before I go outside. Central command, pretty easy to figure out. That's your holding tank levels, battery good, and fresh water. I believe it's for 52 gallon fresh water. Your black tank, I'm not sure what the black tank is, but the gray tank is, I think, 71 gallons, which is kind of unheard of on a 27 footer. Anyway, there's your power awning, 16 foot power awning switch right here to extend and retract, and water heater is going to be a 6 gallon gas electric direct spark ignition water heater. Quick recovery, you can actually get 17.5 gallons in an hour of hot water with this quick recovery 6 gallon water heater. Okay, water pump, easy to figure out. Step light, nice little LED blue like accent step light. I'll try to show that to you if I don't forget. Ceiling light, that's obvious. And then awning light, LED awning light outside, porch light, like a little scare bug light, then your slide out button. Okay. This coach is equipped with some extras that the owner added to the camper that does come with the camper. And I'll try to show that to you. It's about $500 in extras. Got a gas grill. There's a like a little washer dryer, portable washer dryer unit, and then there's a cargo rack that mounts to the back bumper, and I'll show you that. Kind of show off that gel coat fiberglass. It's an ivory gel coat fiberglass, easy to clean, looks a lot better. Kind of looks like a full body paint. Windows all tinted, 80% tint. There's your 16-foot power awning with LED lights. Exterior speakers. Show off that color if I can get it. There's your reflection badge there. Again, this is the 150 series. Perfect for a half-ton truck. Nice little magnets on these doors here, the exterior doors. There you go. Holds it up. Alright, let's point out your hookups for your TV and 110 outlets here. That light is motion activated. I'm going to go ahead and turn it out. There's your aluminum framework. That aluminum framing is integrated through your floor, the front, the rear, and the side walls, even in your slide outs. Keeps the coach down on weight. There's your battery disconnect, saves you on your battery. There is your portable washing machine, and anyway, you have to ask the owner about that. I'm not real familiar with that, but I think it was about a $200 feature. At least $200 that he paid for it. And that's pass-through storage. I'll show the other side here. 30-pound LP tanks right here. These are the big ones. One on each side. I'll show the other one to you. 35,000 BTU furnace exhaust right here. There's your 6-gallon gas electric direct spark ignition water heater with quick recovery right there. Service panel. 15-inch aluminum alloy wheels. Beautiful wheels. They are the nitro filled. And I actually upgraded the little caps there. See if it'll zoom in. Nice chrome caps that say nitro. Anyway, this coach has only been pulled twice. Once to get it to its destination, and the second time is to bring it here at the owner's home. Aluminum steps. They don't bind. They're easy to collapse and extend, and they look a lot better than the steel. These are the heavy-duty stabilizer jacks, not the little rinky-dink power stabilizer jacks. That's definitely a nice feature. This is a fully enclosed heated underbelly. This coach is rated at 0 degrees. Before I back up here, I do want to show off that insulation, Arctic insulation badge there. It's rated at 0 degrees. This is pretty much the same insulation as the regular reflections. Okay, back up here, kind of show off the backside. Sorry, where it's parked, I really can't get a good wide angle shot, but full ladder to get up on your full walk-on roof. Nice ladder. There's your cargo rack. And if you want to research that, it's the Hallmaster. While I'm here, I'm going to go ahead and show off that underbelly. Fully enclosed heated underbelly. Even your gate valves and dump valves are all enclosed and protected from the elements. You are prepped for backup camera up there. A little bit better angle to see that ivory color. Again, looks kind of like a full body paint. I did check this camper for delamination, stress cracks. It's practically new. So yeah, I didn't find anything wrong with this coach. It's beautiful. You are 30 amp service here, and it's a marine style plug, detaches, and it's a little light here, sun's shining on us, but let you know you have shore power coming in. Again, the magnet doors show off your hookups for your water. This coach is easy to winterize. There's your outside shower. There's where you winterize, switch it over to fill up your tanks, your holding tanks, which again is 52-gallon freshwater tank, and you can flip it to winterize it. Low point drain valves, switches. You do have a black tank sewer flush. You don't have to drag your hose inside to clean out your toilet. And this is a motion detector activated light here. Water pump right there. Nice switch. You don't have to yell to kick on the water pump, and there obviously your satellite hookup and cable hookup, and there's your enclosed and heated dump valves. They're all protected. All this stuff comes with the coach, and they're practically all new. Aluminum framework there. I think I'm getting everything. If I didn't, I do apologize. There are a lot of features on this coach. There's the 30-pound LP tank, the second one. There's your power jack legs. Show those off there. You are solar prepped. If you want that option, you have it. And speed this video up a little bit. There's your gas grill. That's the other upgrade that the owners are throwing in. Beautiful gas grill. And there's another motion detector light right there. And oh, here's your little switches right here for your jacks and for your little hitching light up front here. While I'm pointing out the hitch, don't want to forget the 90-degree turning radius on this pin box. This is one of the best turning radius pin box you can get, or front cap. Beautiful front cap. Kind of show off that front cap there. Again, all LED lights all the way through, inside out. And show off that. And turn it off. I think I got everything. If I didn't, I do apologize. If you want to come see the camper, just call the number on the ad. You deal directly with the owner. If you like this video, I'd appreciate if you get a thumbs up on YouTube. And if you want to keep up to date on RVs coming for sale by owner in the Louisville, Kentucky area, you can always follow HelpSellMyRV.com on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and YouTube. Thank you.